everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. And I'm getting ready to fix Dr. Pepper pot roast today. I'm making it with the Dr. Pepper. Normally I do it with the Coca-Cola, but this is very good with the Dr. Pepper also. So I have about 4 pound chuck roast here with the. I have a couple little pieces of steak that I'm going to put in with it because if they're getting in there, I don't want to get freezer burn. So I was going to just throw them all together. So I'm getting ready, and now I'm going to put. I have my carrots and onions and peppers and potatoes, but I'm not going to put the potatoes in there until the last minute. I'm going to try to get this one. I'm going to brown it right now, and I'm going to put all of my ingredients on it so I can get it brown. So just hold on, and I'm coming to get it on. The ingredients I use every day, so don't be surprised. I'm gonna think of it. I didn't get me a fork, did I? Okay. That was my garlic powder. This is my complete onion powder next. Black peppers next. Okay. Now I put the Dr. Pepper. I didn't get it out, so. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side also. That was the garlic powder. This is the onion powder. Black pepper.
Garlic onion powder does not have salt, y'all. For the people that keep saying about the garlic onion powder, it does not have any sodium in it. Read the back of your boxes, please. Your containers.
Okay, so now I'm getting ready to put it in just a little flour mixer. I'm putting it in. Just gonna turn it over a little bit, let it brown just a tiny bit. Usually, if cooking roast, they shrink up so bad, so it doesn't take them long to cook. I'm just gonna let it brown before I put my carrots and stuff in. Okay, so I have in here I have avocado oil. So let me turn it up like that. Okay. So while I'm waiting for that to brown, let me get my scripture. Okay. I'm taking it from Acts 2:17. I will pour out of my spirit upon all flesh. On here, the other side is Matthew 25:33. Thou hast been faithful over a few things, and I will make it thee rule over many things. Thou hast been faithful over a few things, and I will make thee rulers over many things. Matthew 25:23. And this is a true thing. If you be faithful, this is what he'll make you over many things. So thank you for my scripture reading. I almost forgot it, you guys. Just a little bit more. Brown first. This is already has the ingredients on top of it because it's mixing with each other. Sometimes I use the extra what's left there because these little steaks have been in there, and I just don't want them to go freezer burn, so that's why I'm adding them too. I usually put a little bit of extra flour on top before I turn them over. And that's in order for me to have the gravy in there without having to put a lot of extra flour and stuff, a lot of extra in there. All right, the steak is not quite ready yet. Just a little bit more. I'm just adding a little bit of more Chesapeake. Yeah.
You added that to her.
Okay, I'm getting ready to add just a little bit of meat tenderized. Now this is unseasoned, so it doesn't have sodium in it. Okay. All right now. I'm going to pour my Dr. Pepper in, and then I'm going to put just a little bit of chicken broth with the Dr. Pepper. This will be about 1/4 of a cup of chicken broth to go with the Dr. Pepper. And this does season it real well. I know there's going to be someone on there that want to know why I didn't use beef broth, but I didn't have any beef broth, so I decided to use just a little bit of the chicken, 1/4 cup of the chicken broth. But once I mixed it in with the beef anyway, it's going to be okay because it has your Dr. Pepper. And once I put all my onion seasoning and everything in there, and onions and bell peppers, it'll bring it back to the taste. But I'm sorry, I just didn't have any beef broth. So I'm going to pour these carrots in. I'm not going to put the potatoes in right now, but I'm going to put the carrots and the onions and all this in. And this is all going to help the flavor. Sometimes if you don't have the right kind of broth that you want, you have to use what you have, but it does the same thing. Just the only thing about it, this one's just chicken and the other, this is just beef that I'm cooking. But it still ends up about the same once I have the other flavor in there with everything else. It's delicious like this anyway, so Okay, so you guys, I'll be back in about a few minutes. It's going to take it about, this should take it about, I think the roast is about 4 pounds. So it should take it in this skillet. It should take it about maybe 45 minutes. But all right, I'm getting ready to turn it over.
All right, y'all. She'll be back. Let's ready to put the potatoes in there.
It kind of went off by itself, I guess, because it wasn't cut it down low.
Okay, y'all. She's putting the potatoes in there.
Put the rest of it in there low.
Okay, when we come back, it'll be done, y'all. Thank you.
Okay. With my Dr. Pepper pot roast. And it looks like it's going to really be delicious. And it always has been. So I know it is right now. So I'm not even thinking about it's not going to be. So, okay. I'm going to slice a little piece off. Oh, yes. It's up. Putting this little piece of bowl I had for the pie. All right. Okay. Okay. Now that's the way it looks. And I know it tastes good. There's no doubt about it. I guess I had gonna get a bigger plate, but I didn't get one. So,
Y'all, it's real tender. How easy it is to cut.
yeah, it's very tender.
I don't eat beef, but I tasted the gravy, y'all. Oh my goodness, the gravy is so good.
Oh Lord, it is off the chain.
It really is. I almost make me want to start eating beef today again, but I can't do it. That gravy is out of this world.
You guys, when I tell you it's off the chain, it is off the chain today. I haven't said that in a long time, but that's been my favorite word for cooking my pot roast or whatever. It is very tender, and my teeth were not very good, but it did chew quite well. So I'm having my dental work is being done, but I need to get back to the dentist again so they can get it filled again. But it is still so tender that I didn't have to do very much chewing. So I thank you all, and I hope you all will try this, the Dr. Pepper or the Coca-Cola, either one. But this is called, I call this the Dr. Pepper pot roast with all of the ingredients in it. So thank you all so much. Goodbye from Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Dr. Pepper pot roast. Hello, everybody. Goodbye. Have a good one.
Thank you to all of our members, all the people that's all our family that subscribe to her membership. We appreciate you. To the old, faithful, loyal subscribers, and to all the new ones, we appreciate you. Goodbye.